Hey everyone, today I'll show you the TurboTax tutorial for beginners and how to file federal and state taxes online. First, open your web browser. Now, go to the official TurboTax website. Then, click on Start for free. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If you are new, create an account by entering your email and creating a password. After signing in, click on Start a new tax return. Next, select federal taxes first. Now, answer basic questions about your tax situation. These questions might include your age, job, income, and whether you are married. After that, enter your income information like W-2 forms or 1099 forms. If you have other income, make sure to include that as well. Next, add any deductions or credits you might be eligible for. TurboTax will show you available options like child tax credits or deduction credits. Once you've entered everything, TurboTax will review your information for mistakes. Then proceed to fill your federal taxes by clicking on File Federal. Now, select your state and begin entering your state tax information. You will need to answer a few more questions about your state taxes. After that, review your state tax return carefully. Once you are sure everything is correct, click File State to submit your state taxes. TurboTax will provide confirmation once both your federal and state taxes have been filled successfully. That's it. You've filled both your federal and state taxes online using TurboTax. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.